tayo. Kain tayo. Yan. Ha. Ha. Sarap po. Putahin sauce. May sauce pa. Ano nada? Aha. Social. Siyempre. Siyempre.
Get the sandwich, the
Yes, boss. I get two lumpia.
They're not lumpia.
Huh?
They're not lumpia.
It's a lumpia. Huh?
Josie, could you bring us some Monday?
Uh-oh.
Oh, they were so good. Oh, wow. Okay, that'll be good. All right. Put the
Oh.
bell pepper and all that in it like you did. It was so good.
Kain tayo.
Yeah, put some of
Oh no! I'm off Monday.
Yeah, you're
Gee.
next week?
Yeah, I'm off.
I will work till 5 o'clock on Monday.
Wow. You have food Monday, huh? Kain tayo, fresh lumpia. Grabe. Agpaluto man, Ate Josie. Fresh lumpia. Natin ang sauce. Peanut. Kain tayo. Yan o. Sarap. Ha? Mm. Mm.
Positive result in the Benedict's test would be obtained if the urine sample contains which of the following? Okay, if they contain ascorbic acid. So number 25 is letter D, ascorbic acid. And then we have number 26, naulit lang to, no? Amniotic fluid for fetal lung maturity, pwede gamitin ulit, si phosphatidyl glycerol, which was mentioned kanina sa previous na question. So number 26 is letter A. Number 27, paulit-ulit natin itong na-mention kanina. Okay, amniotic fluid. Okay, yung absorbance at 450 nanometer or OD450 is affected even with small amounts of maternal blood or fetal blood. So number 27, letter A, OD450, no? OD450. Ang primary interference in the OD450 is your oxyhemoglobin. Okay, interference sa OD450 ha is the oxy.
Mm. Up.
Hemoglobin. Kasi ang oxyhemoglobin has absorbance close to 450. Meron siyang absorbance at 410 nanometer kasi. Eh di ba yung bilirubin natin 450? Malapit yung oxyhemoglobin ng 410. So pwede siya mag-interfere. Okay, oxyhemoglobin kasi has absorbance at 410. Malapit sa 450. Therefore, they can interfere with your analysis. Okay, so number 27, no? Small amounts of blood can interfere with your OD450 or absorbance at 450 nanometer. Okay, kaya 27 is letter A. And then we have number 28, patients with diabetes insipidus would show increased urine volume pero mababa ang
acute myelomonocytic leukemia or AML. Acute myelomonocytic leukemia or AML. The results on a leukemic patient are as follows: alpha-naphthol S-D-acetic esterase 3 plus NASTA with sodium fluoride 1 plus. The results are suggestive of which type of leukemia? 0.5% sodium deoxycholate. Which of the following is the reagent used for the string test? Agglutination. In the heterophil antibody test, which of the following constitutes a positive reaction? 8 to 11 days. What is the average lifespan of a platelet? Hypothyroidism. In which of these clinical conditions may blood cholesterol be increased? 37.5 C. Oral temp of the donor must not exceed. Warm autoimmune hemolytic anemia. The following results are observed on an anemic patient, Hg positive, is, and 37 none. Buffer. What term describes a substance that minimizes any change in hydrogen ion concentration? Polycythemia. All of the following sources of error will falsely elevate the erythrocyte sedimentation rate EXEEPT. Which one? Leukemoid reaction. Leukopenia can occur in all of the following conditions EXEEPT. Which one? Haemophilus. All of the following genera are oxidase positive except which one? Autoimmune thrombocytopenia. What do a low platelet count and normal bleeding time indicate? Alkaline phosphatase. Which enzyme is the most sensitive indicator of obstructive jaundice? Myelocytes. At what stage will specific granules of polymorphonuclear cells appear? Preoperative collection. Which autologous procedure is blood drawn and stored before the anticipated elective surgery? Albumin. Prehepatic bilirubin has which of the following for protein carrier? Ig. Increases during the convalescence phase of infection. Blue. Standard
Good.
acceptable color for anti-A grouping serum. AHG is used to detect in vivo sensitization. Basic concept of AHG testing included all of the following except which one? 1.1. The total protein is 7.2 grams per deciliter. The serum protein results are as follows. Albumin 53.0%, 3.8 grams per deciliter. Alpha 1, 3.6%, 0.3 grams per deciliter. Alpha 2, 11.0%, 0.8 grams per deciliter. Beta 17.6%.